Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be using the Network Analyzer to create a smart map based around bulk water management using line data. Creating this smart map will help the city better visualize their existing pipelines, prioritize maintenance jobs, and even assist in the planning of future water network upgrades. Our smart map will be showing a wealth of information, as per usual, even down to the pricing of pipe replacement, assisting the city with budgeting towards maintenance and expansion. Starting, as always, with your data. It needs to be formatted in a way that the Network Analyzer can ingest. Today's data is line data. After dropping your data into the Network Analyzer, we will define our main theme, which is priority, give it a name, the classification will be custom, and we will then click define. We'll include the percentage in the label to give our pie chart more meaning. Next, we'll go ahead with the customizing of the colors to make the areas that are most in need of replacement stand out. What our main theme will do is assign a priority level to a section of pipe on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being highest priority and 10 being the lowest priority. This will allow the user to focus directly on the areas of highest importance for replacement. Next, we'll add a few other graphs in order to fully utilize the information that is sitting within our tables. Over here, we'll have the replacement price gauge showing, quite simply, the price of the affected pipeline you have chosen, enabling the person in charge to make an informed decision budget-wise. Next up, we'll have the connection from and connection to drop-down menus. These are the connection nodes and help the city search for specific pipes. Up next, we'll put in the finishing touches, including adding our logo, customizing the motifs, customizing the fonts, etc. And there you have it. Another simple, awesome smart map showing the user all the valuable information contained in their datasets and allowing them to visualize it in a way that brings attention to the most important parts that they might otherwise have missed. If you enjoyed what you saw here, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hexagon smart maps created by the Geo Data Design team.